Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. Today I'm here to show you how you can be anonymous in Fortnite. So this tutorial will be step by step, so make sure you follow it carefully and of course click that like button down below for more tutorials. So let's start right away. Firstly, we open Fortnite and we get this basic interface and it's called lobby. We must go upper left corner here on vertical lines, and when we are here on left we have various options and we have to go here to click options. Once again, a new menu is here and just click on settings. Now we have more options here, but what we have to look is the top options. We go to the last one. Now again we have account, social privacy and gameplay privacy. We have to look at gameplay privacy and spot hide your display name during regular gameplay. As you can see, it's currently on and I will switch it to off and go apply. Now your display name will not be showed when you actually play the game, so that way you become anonymous in Fortnite. Thank you guys for watching. We came to an end of this tutorial. If you enjoyed it, make sure you leave a like and hit subscribe button for more.